Hello, welcome back everyone. In the previous tutorial we saw that we initiated a GitHub repository and we integrated it with PyCharm, and we also installed some of the libraries. So now we are going to upload the dataset, the wine quality dataset, and we are going to perform or train a simple linear regression model. So let's get into that. So let's go to the folder. Yeah, this is a data set, so I'm going to drag and drop it to my folder, into my project folder. So, and I'm gonna push this as a data ingestion. Commit and push. Yes, our data is ingested. Now we are going to perform a linear regression machine learning model. So we've already installed Jupyter Notebook, and we're going to use Jupyter Notebook in order to train a machine learning model, and like save a pickle file for the Flask prediction server. So let's run this. So you can see that it's open here. So let's go with a new file. So IPYNB, it's a Jupyter Notebook file type. Let's import some of the libraries that we need, as numpy as np, import os, import pickle from sklearn.model selection. Let's import train test split, and also a linear regression model. Linear model, import linear regression. I think that's pretty much the libraries what we need. So now let's use pandas to read. We are going to read the CSV. Let's go back to the PyCharm, and we're going to copy the folder path. I think just the name alone is enough, file name, and dot. Yeah, this is, yes, so our data is in the form of a data frame right now, and I don't think we need this ID here. So let's drop that. Df dot drop columns equals ID, access equals 1. And I think more than the access, we need to make in place equals true, which means we're permanently deleting it. So yeah, ID is gone now. So now we are going to just understand our data. So it's a integer value quality. So we are going to predict the pH level, which is the float value, and we have all the values float except for the quality. But we're not going to get much in depth with the machine learning part, so let me just, and let's quickly check for numbers. There are values, so which means good to go. Dot job column equals the pH. Just and y equals df of pH. Well, now we can use train test split in order to split the data. So let's just quickly do that. Train test split of x comma y comma test size equals 0.2, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And the model is a linear regression. And now we're going to train the model. Train y train. And check for model dot predict x comma. Let's just go with x test. Yeah, we have got some bunch of values here showing what would be the PS level. I'm not gonna get into the accuracy or fine tuning the model in any manner. And now let's save the model and we'll name it as model.pickle, and its write binary as file pickle dot dump. Gonna see. And yes, I think this should have saved a file. Let's open it and see. Now we are going to read the file. Read binary as file pickle file equals pickle dot load. Let's check that out. Yeah, it's done. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Like, we have dealt with the data and as well as the machine learning model. You can see that yeah, the model.pickle has been created here. So this will be used for the next step, the HTML, CSS, the front end, and the Flask, the backend. So see you all in the next one, and thank you so much.